camera is in position. Okay, hi, this is Samdha and welcome to my channel Scrap Me Collection. So today we are going to do the walkthrough of this album, and I am here to just explain what we are going to do in this video. So I'm going to set the premiere of this video, and we can see the scrapbook walkthrough as well as we can do a live chat. So on the window of this video, you can see on the right side there will be a live chat option, so you can type in there, you can ask your queries, questions, whatever you feel like asking regarding to this scrapbook. So it will be easy for all of us to understand them. And I have got a lot of requests regarding to post a big size of album. So this is not 12 cross 12 inches, but this is 12 cross 10 inches in size, which is quite big, and it can hold more than 150 pictures in it. So I have used Bob and Betty's two collections actually. So one is Woodies and the other one is Roses All Around. So these two are fabulous papers if you want to go for some shabby kind of paper, and it also goes well with the wedding theme. So once I will swap the camera, you can see the album, and I'll explain first what all I have used on the top of the cover, and then you can start asking questions, and I'll just switch off the volume once we'll get inside the scrapbook, so it will be easy for us all of us to see, and at the same time we can chat. There is one more thing I want to tell. This live chat is valid till this video is playing. Okay, so once the video is over, this live chat is going to end. So in case if you'll miss watching this at the premiere time, so what you can do is you can write your questions, your queries in the comment section below. So I'll get back to you as soon as I'll see the comments, and I'll just swap the camera now. I hope you'll enjoy the session, and I hope that more and more people can join in and we can start it. So okay, so you are going to see this album now. So this is the wedding album that we'll be watching today, and then first I'll talk about the frame. So because this frame is the focal point of this whole cover, and I used to tell everyone that whenever you make scrapbooks, always have a focal point, always have a centerpiece, and then you can create things, you can decorate things around that focal point. So here this frame is that one, and this is the frame that I have got from Crafters Corner. It is by Dress My Craft, and then I have used Dusty Attic cranberry paint to color it, and Inca Gold to highlight the design, because this frame is having beautiful design and intricate detailing. So when you use Inca Gold, it just highlights it, and I have used my finger to apply it. So I have not used any kind of brush. Just use your finger and highlight the design. It will just absorb that, and you can see this is looking very, very beautiful. It is giving this album a very much vintage classic kind of a look. And then as I have told you, the papers are by Bob and Betty, Woodies and Roses All Around. So these two papers can be mixed and matched because they go very well with each other. And on the cover page, I have used this background. So when you'll see this, there are three layers actually. So one is that white base, that is the album cover, and then there is this one red matte. So you can see one layer of red paper, and then on top of that I have used this pattern paper. So this red layer is going to give a nice look to this. It highlights the frame and it enhances the whole look of this album. And along with that, I have used these flowers. These are mulberry roses. Some shells are there. The leaves that you are going to that you are seeing here is by Mudra, and I have used these roses because the theme is about the roses, and it goes very well with the background also. So now let me go inside and take you to this album walkthrough, and I'm going to switch off the volume now, and you're just going to see the video, not going to hear my voice. So there will be a soft music in the background, and you can ask me questions in the live chat.